Welcome to Chandu's Kitchen. Hi viewers, today let us see how to prepare chocolate velvet cake with cream cheese frosting. Now let us check out the ingredients. 1 cup of curd, 2 eggs, Gulgand or rose essence, vanilla essence, Maida or all-purpose flour, powdered sugar, oil, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, salt. Please check the description box for detailed measurements. Now take a large mixing bowl, add 2 eggs. You may also replace eggs with a cup of curd. Now let us hand whisk the eggs. Now let us add 2/3 cup of powdered sugar or 10 tablespoons of it. Now gently whisk until the powdered sugar melts along with the eggs. Now let us add 8 tablespoons of cooking oil and gently whisk. Now let us add 1 cup of curd and gently whisk. Now let us add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. I have used Gulgand syrup or rose essence to enhance the flavor, but this is optional. Now I am using an electric blender to make the mixture uniform and fluffy. Now you may notice the quantity is doubled up. Now let us sieve Maida or all-purpose flour to 50 ml, 1 tablespoonful of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder and gently sieve them all. The measurements of ingredients which I am using in this will make half a kg of chocolate velvet cake. Now gently whisk the batter to a smooth consistency. Now let us grease the mold. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and gently apply. Now pour the chocolate cake batter into the mold. Now gently tap the batter for the air bubbles to escape. I have already preheated the pan for about 15 minutes. Please be careful while placing the mold inside the pan and gently cover it and bake for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the lid. Now let us check. Now you can see there is no batter sticking to the stick. Now the cake has been perfectly demolded. Now let's get started with cream cheese frosting. I am just placing the butter paper around the cake to avoid creating a mess. Now let us apply the sugar syrup. For making this sugar syrup, take 1 glass of water, add 6 spoons of sugar to it. Allow it to boil and reduce to half a glass and and your sugar syrup is ready. Now let us start decorating the cake with cream cheese frosting. Please check the link above to view how to make cream cheese frosting. This chocolate velvet cake is simple and easy. All you need is little love and patience. You can decorate your cake however you may please. I am using cream cheese frosting and cocoa powder for decorating our cake. And this is my favorite segment of this video, because here is where you explore your creativities and ideas. This is the piping bag which is made at home, filled with cream cheese frosting. You may also use ready-made piping bags with different kind of nozzles, which is readily available in the market. I am not using any professional kits for preparing our cake. It's a simple and delicious chocolate cake made at home, filled with lots of love. I'm just sprinkling some cocoa powder on the left hand side of the cake. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please post your valuable comments in the comment section. Make any occasion a celebration with this chocolate velvet cake. Now a delicious chocolate velvet cake is ready with cream cheese frosting. Also like this video? Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching and for your continued support, and also check out my other videos.